What's up guys, this is Unknown from Notion Hub, and in this video, we are going to do a gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Vivo T1 5G. Before we start, here are the specifications. It comes with 6.58-inch IPS display with Full HD Plus resolution, and it comes with 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. It has Snapdragon 695 5G and Adreno 619 GPU. It has up to 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. It has low power consumption and it also has 5-layer turbo cooling system. Now this comes with 5000 mAh battery and 18 watts charger. As for audio, there is single speaker at the bottom. Now here are Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now this is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side, battery is at 63% and there's an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is also at 26 degrees. Now let's check the phone temperature before we start. On the front it is 32 degrees, on the bottom it is 32 degrees, on the back it is 31 to 32 degrees and on the bottom it is 32 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and play Battlegrounds Mobile India. You can swipe from the edge to access Game Assistant, and from here you can change performance modes. You can block calls, notifications, take screenshot, record the screen, and you get more options for better gaming experience. Now let's check graphics settings. HD graphics and high frame rate are the highest setting available, so I'll be playing in that. Now let's get to the game. The visuals are great, colors look vivid, and details are also great. Controlling is pretty good and I couldn't notice any lag. It has sleek body and it is light in weight, so it is easier to hold for longer duration. It's been 15 minutes since I'm playing this game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is 37 to 38 degrees, on the bottom it is 35 degrees, on the back it is 36 to 37 degrees, and on the bottom it is 35 degrees. It's been a total of 16 minutes and the battery came down to 60%. So for approximately 15 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed 3% of battery, which is great. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures from front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. AC is running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is also at 26 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is fluctuating from 39 to 41 degrees, on the bottom it is 36 degrees, on the back it is 38 to 40 degrees, and on the bottom it is 36 degrees. Phone feels warm. Now I'll use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. By the way, it took 326 photos in those 3 minutes. And that is great. And there is no throttling going on. So that's been the gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Vivo T1 5G. Now this has good visuals, good performance, and it is pretty sleek to hold and it feels light in hand. It is pretty nice for gaming. What do you think about this phone? Let us know in the comments below, and I'm Unknown from Notion Hub. Meet you in the next one.